Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the volume of the earpads, Apple earpads. Mine, they have been working very well before, but with them I didn't know how they reduce. I was like, maybe they are having any fault, maybe they fell down, but figured it out, it was all about the settings of my mobile phone. That's the way how you can update them and your volume increases. So what you do from there, after like connecting your earpads to the phone, you click on settings. After clicking on settings, then you look for where there is Bluetooth. Yeah, it's here, Bluetooth, it's on. You click on it, then you come and click. You see the earpads are already connected to my phone. What you do, you click on advanced settings in the Bluetooth settings, then you look for what there is media volume, synchronize, and play sound from your phone to different devices. You see here they are like kinda disconnected. If you connect them immediately, like you open the casing of the earpads, it shows sync the volume level set on the connected Bluetooth devices to your phone. Then you click OK, turn off the Apple one. Then after that, then you reset your phone, you reboot it. Just that, it's done. Now the volume will be working very well and nicely. Then part 2, I will show you how you can enable if this didn't work, because some don't respond. If it didn't work, I can connect you to another. I will give you another video how you can activate it. Thank you guys for watching.